Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Jumong Dance Theater is a Hakka dance group led by Xu Mengyue. Her first work with the group was an adaptation of the novel Du Tai Bega. Through dance, it depicts the period of Japanese occupation during which the Hakka people struggled to eke out an existence in the mountains. This and other dramatic works have gained national awards and international plaudits, leading to tours of the U.S., Europe, and China.
Yo, it's time for some Talk About Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And when Leo's here, sometimes we talk about food, how to prepare a dish, and sometimes we talk about certain performing arts group here in Taiwan that is Hakka related. 那今天呢，就请 Leo 呢，可以再介绍一些可能跟客家文化上面有关的一些表演团体或人士们。OK，
好，那我今天来介绍这个表演团体哦，叫做做梦舞戏。
做梦舞戏，舞戏是
舞集，逐梦舞集。
逐梦舞集，
他创办的老师哦，叫做启蒙耶五斯。
启蒙耶五斯，
嘿，就是女士。
女士。Okay. So this is led by a lady. Her name is 启蒙耶。这中文叫做
徐梦月。
徐梦月。
对
呀，再讲一次逐梦舞集怎么说？
逐梦舞戏。
逐梦舞戏。Okay. That's the Building a Dream or 逐梦Dance Troupe。 那他有什么成名的这个作品吗？
有一出他的作品其实大家都曾听过，它是改编自一个客家文学就是凸台比狗渡台悲歌。他把渡台悲歌改编成一个舞剧。
这好像有听过。你刚刚秃头，我以为谁秃头了？
不是，
它是渡台的悲歌。
对。
Okay, so it's based on that story about crossing over to Taiwan, the Hakka people coming to Taiwan, and a story based on that. Okay, 就叫做渡台悲歌。
他这个剧嘛，其实不单是在台湾表演过，他也有出国去表演过哦。
是哦，
所以其实还蛮有意义的。
Okay, so this dance troupe actually not only performs in Taiwan, but has been invited to different countries all over the world.
美国、欧洲啊、中国大陆啊都去表演过。
Okay, whether it be Europe or the Americas, they've been there to perform. So if you want to find out more information, you can go online, Google it, 逐梦舞集. That's the 逐梦 Dance Theater. How do you say that again?
逐梦舞戏。
逐梦舞戏. And it's led by this lady known as 许梦月.
启蒙耶。
启蒙耶. And there you go. Hope you have a little bit more Hakka culture in you now. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.